Hey friends, let's make a simple cough syrup using Mother Nature's medicine. With only 3 ingredients, this syrup is an effective expectorant and can help soothe a dry, scratchy throat. Trust me, this will soon be your new favorite addition to your home apothecary. This is a pine needle cough syrup. First, let's gather our ingredients: fresh water, raw local honey, and of course, pine needles. Now, these specific needles come from the eastern white pine tree, which offers a large amount of vitamin C. But you can use the needles from other pine trees as long as they're edible, so be sure to check which variety you're pulling from. Oh, and be sure to thank Mother Nature for her life-giving medicine. First, we'll bring 1 1/4 cups water to a boil, then immediately pour the boiling water over 1 cup of fresh pine needles in a pint-sized mason jar. Cover with a loose-fitting lid or cloth and allow the infusion to steep until it has cooled to room temperature. Next, strain out the pine needles and stir in 1/2 cup of raw honey. Store your syrup in a glass jar in the refrigerator and use within 2 to 4 weeks. You may take 1 tablespoon every 2 hours as needed to help ease a cough and relieve chest congestion. Note that this syrup is safe for children ages 2 and older. Easy peasy pine needle squeezy? Yeah, we'll go with that. I'm Leslie, sending you love and health.